Okay, I just finished doing a video about using AI to help you come up with keywords when you're applying for a job. And so now I want to quickly turn our attention to what if there's a human reviewing your resume? And so in this case, I really like to use AI to create a rubric based on not just the job description, but also the company itself. So we'll turn our attention back to ChatGPT and do that real quick. Okay, so now we are assuming that potentially a human is going to review your resume. And I want ChatGPT to create a rubric as a human. So again, I'm not a prompt expert, and I'm okay with that because I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the prompt that will make it into an expert in writing rubrics based on job descriptions. Now, what I think is interesting is to ask it not just to use the job description that you're going to upload, but also to refer to other sources like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, and to take into consideration things like the company's core values, purpose, mission, culture, things like that. Are those always included in a rubric? Probably not, but you know what? It doesn't hurt. Again, I'm not an HR expert. I'm just doing my best here. So let's see what it comes up with as a prompt. Okay, again, so handy dandy that I don't have to write this complicated prompt, but it's telling itself to research the company, look at the job description, create the rubric. So again, if I were doing this in real life, I would really look at this prompt and see if there's anything missing, anything else that I wanted to add. But since we're just going kind of quickly here, let's just put this prompt in here. And we're going to use our same job description from Inspire Brand. Sorry, guys, if you get a lot of resumes. So let's just go ahead and put in this, and then we'll add the job description. I probably should have included it there, but okay, here it goes. So now it's asking, where's the job description? Dum-dum, you didn't put it in before. So now I'm just going to upload the job description. Okay, now it's taking that job description and its previous research, and it should come up with a rubric. Okay, let's see what it did. So 25 points to technical expertise and industry experience. If anybody knows the hiring manager for this job, it'd be super interesting to know how close this is, but we'll probably never know. Okay, leadership and team management, 20. Strategic thinking, innovation, 15. Cultural alignment and core values, interesting, 15. Feels like that might be a difficult thing to put in a resume, but maybe a cover letter. Oh no! It's probably mad at me because I'm also videoing at the same time. Let's see if it'll finish. Okay, perfect. All right, so it's given, quantifiable achievements. Love that. All right. Okay, so again, if I were doing this in real life, I would go through that rubric. I might add, take away, things like that. But just for funsies, let's go ahead and put my resume in, because I haven't updated this in a long, long time, but I think it'll just be fun to see how terribly aligned I am with this. Okay, here is my resume. Please score it based on this rubric. Okay, it'll be funny if I run out of time and you never get to see the score. Ooh, analytical tools and financial acumen, 4 out of 5. Okay. All right. This isn't as bad as I thought it would be, given that I haven't updated my resume in a while. Well, maybe I should apply for this job. What kind of good fit I am. Okay, I'm going to give you one more quick tip if I have a second. Okay. I used Manus to score the same resume, and its scores were much lower. Are you sure you are being objective? Okay. So this is another thing you can do, because AI does have a tendency to be a little bit nicer. So you can always ask it to rethink it, be a little bit more mean, objective, whatever it is. So just some thoughts on ways you can use this. Hope it's helpful.